Love me tender, love me true, make my dreams fulfill. The dreams of two lovers, Amalia and Pompeo, turned into an incredible rosé. The magical thing about wine is that we can talk about history, geography, love, travel, whatever. But in this case, Valtènesi was born out of a love story, a distant love story between a Venetian senator, Mr. Molmenti, Pompeo Molmenti, that fell in love with a beautiful noble lady of the Lake Garda from an incredible palazzo. So, of course, what would you do if you were a Venetian senator and there's a beautiful lady with an incredible palazzo? You moved to Lake Garda. But Senator Molmenti was interested in avant-garde winemaking. So as a result, he came out with this codification of a proper rosé wine. How and what does it mean? Basically, we are at the end of the 19th century. He decided to move on Lake Garda, and he starts to make this rosé wine with the Groppello variety, which is like the backbone of this wine. Yes, there is also Marzemino, Barbera, Sangiovese, but the backbone of the wine is Groppello. But how does a wine like this become rosé? How do you make rosé wine? That's what he did. Getting the juice of Groppello in contact with the skins overnight. That's why they call it il vino di una notte, a one night's wine. Because when the fermentation takes place, it's like a boiling process. So the boiling process is gonna push the skins up. And the color of wine comes from the contact that the skins of the grape would have with the juice. Now, in 2 weeks, you'll be making red wines. But if you only keep that skin in contact with the juice overnight, you'll be having this beautiful rosé. That is the Valtènesi method. And that's the reason why this wine has got this incredible pearl-looking color. What else is there to say? Nothing, guys. There is only one last thing to do, which is drink this awesome wine. You know, this stuff is really good, actually. Have you watched our next video yet? Well, if you haven't done it, go for it right now. And for more tips, tricks, and of course, love, you gotta follow our channels and subscribe our social media. It's the opposite. Follow our social media and subscribe our channel.